In this video, I'm going to go over the price and features of each of the plans for Wealthy Affiliate. So you can use the link in the description and it's going to bring you to this page right here, and then you can go to pricing and follow along. So first of all, they have the starter pack, which is their most popular because it's completely for free. And so you get the starter access and you can actually get your business started. So they're going to give you 1500 AI word credits, which means that they have like their own ChatGPT type system where it'll generate, like you can use it for like writing an article or something or creating a blog. You get a practice website. You get one unlimited business hub, a Jaxi starter. You get some help and support, and you get core niche training, which is 8 classes. So the practice website will actually be like a temporary kind of pseudo website where you can see what it's going to look like, and you can actually start creating some blogs and getting a feel for it. So once you decide to upgrade, it's the next one is the premium, and so they've got the monthly and the yearly. If you stick with the yearly, it's cheaper, but if you go with monthly, it's 49 bucks a month. So here you get one free .com domain, which is worth about 16 bucks. So it's like a regular domain that you can actually use to post like blogs on. And then you get 7,000 AI word credits per month instead of 1,500, which you got in the free plan. They've got an AI author platform, which is in the beta stage right now, so it's still being tested, but that's going to be included and improved over time. You also get weekly expert classes, so you're actually going to get videos to watch from experts, so you can learn how to take your affiliate marketing business to the next level. They've got a lot more training here, so they've got core niche training for 20 classes and bootcamp training also for 20 classes. Now you get 3 profit ready websites. So these are websites that you can start using to post articles on and earning affiliate revenue. You get business hubs, you get Jaxi Lite, which is their software, and you get unlimited help and support as well as 24/7 website tech support. And then if you decide to upgrade to the next level up, at this point you're probably making a decent amount of money from your affiliate marketing business. So this is $99 a month, and then if you go with yearly, it comes down to almost half of that at about 58 bucks a month. So here you actually get a bunch of stuff. You get 2 free domains, you get 15,000 AI word credits per month, right? You get all the stuff from before. You also get daily expert classes, you get 10 profit ready websites, 10 full business hubs, and you get the Jaxi Enterprise instead of the Lite. So that's what's included here. I hope you found this video useful. Use the link in the description to get started with the Wealthy Affiliate completely for free. Thanks for watching.